RealMedia was used for low-bandwidth video in the dial-up days. It looks terrible by modern standards. You need RealPlayer or VLC to watch it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's watch the pixels. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for RM problems. See below for my top choice. An RM file is a multimedia container format developed by RealNetworks. It was one of the first formats used for streaming audio and video over the internet. Users typically encounter these files when accessing older web-based video content or archives from the late 1990s and early 2000s. The format uses a proprietary constant bitrate (CBR) compression codec designed for low-bandwidth connections. Its internal structure is optimized for streaming, allowing playback to begin before the entire file is downloaded. This design prioritized delivery speed over quality, a critical trade-off for early internet infrastructure. The common standard viewer for RM is typically RealPlayer from RealNetworks, Inc. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows supports typical consumer formats, though creators often use specialized tools. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your RM file and select Open With. If RealPlayer is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed reader. If the RM file won't open, don't panic. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, playing in VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player has built-in support for RealMedia formats. Simply open the RM file in VLC and it plays without additional codecs. VLC handles all common Real Video and Real Audio codec variants, making it the easiest way to play legacy RM files on modern Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. Next, converting to MP4 with FFmpeg. Use FFmpeg to convert RM files to modern MP4 format with the command FFmpeg, I input RM, C LIBX264, C to A AAC output MP4. This produces a widely compatible MP4 file playable on all modern devices and platforms. Handbrake provides a graphical alternative with quality presets for batch conversion of RealMedia archives. Finally, using RealPlayer. For authentic playback experience, download RealPlayer from real.com, which natively handles RealMedia formats. RealPlayer Cloud offers modern streaming features alongside legacy format support. The application provides full feature support, including streaming protocols and embedded content that VLC may not handle perfectly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at FileMagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.